Are you struggling with your acrylics breaking or your acrylic application? So we are going to do this video in 3 parts, as if we done it in the one, it'd be way too long for Instagram. First thing we want to do is get a ratio right when using monomer and powder. The ratio is 2 to 1, meaning 2 liquid and 1 to powder. So depending how much of the powder we pick up, we need twice as much liquid or monomer. So if your bead is too wet and too runny, it will look something like this. If you apply this bead to the nail, it will run all over the nail and can run into the cuticle area, which will cause lifting and the nails will not last. And if your bead is too dry, which means you probably don't have enough monomer liquid to the amount of powder you're picking up. So say if you take too much of the liquid off your brush and you pick up a really big bead, it can look something like this. Your environment can affect as well how quick the product dries or how runny it is. So if the room is really warm or really hot, your acrylic will dry much quicker, so you have to work much faster. And if the room is really cold, your bead that you're placing onto the nail will be more runny and it will dry that bit slower. Make sure to drop us a follow for part 2 and 3.